Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am actually going to do a first impression on the brand Huda Beauty. I've never ever tried anything from her products, so I went to get two products that a lot of people are talking about. That is the Huda Beauty foundation. I also went to get the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This is the remastered. When I went to Sephora yesterday, they said that this is the first one that came out, but it's just reformulated. This was about $65, and this is what the palette looks like. And then you get the shadows. I'm gonna start with that since I do have some eye mask going on, and then I will move on to foundation. So the foundation I know came out after the palette, correct me if I'm wrong, but I did get a sample of this Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So the eyeshadow primer that I do have is this Painterly Pot by MAC. The first eyeshadow that we're gonna go in is Sandalwood, which is this one right here. So far, I think it's blending really nice. I don't think there's any blending issues. I'm gonna use Cocoa right here. I'm going to apply that right below that, and it is blending pretty. Just so far though, I have not had any issues. I'm gonna go in with Rose Gold. I'm gonna try with my finger. Now I see it. It applied much better. Now I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna focus it right here. Wow. It's so creamy. It's like just blending so nicely. I'm impressed. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the foundation. I got the color Latte, and this is just what it looks like. I like the fact that it has a pump. I applied about one pump right here, and my skin right now is breaking out like crazy. The foundation brush that I've been using is the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. I just got this the other day, and I love to apply foundation. So I'm going to one side with my brush, and I'm going to blend the other side with my beauty blenders. I like this mirror a lot, so... I am noticing a smell, like a fragrance smell. It's been looking pretty good right now. You have to work with it very quickly though, because I'm noticing that it's kind of hard to blend it. So this is one side with the brush, and now I'm going to do this other side with a sponge, and I'm gonna see which one I preferred. Don't like it so far with the sponge, and I think that's because I waited too long. And keep in mind, I do have dry skin, so I'm gonna see how this foundation particularly does with my skin. It's supposed to have a radiant matte finish, so if I can not look oily but still radiant, that would be cool. Okay, but so far so good. I mean, it looks pretty good. Just gonna go ahead, hop off camera. Right now it is 1:21 in the afternoon, so we're starting a little bit late, but that's okay. Yeah, just gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I am back. I finished my makeup. I am actually not wearing any highlight. Who am I? So I'm just gonna use the Anastasia. Literally, I'm not gonna do a lot because if I do get oily or something, I want to be able to see. So I'm not using a ton like that. It's 150, in the afternoon. So right now, let me look. Now it looks amazing. There's no dry patches whatsoever. The eyeshadow looks really, really good. We'll see what happens in a few hours.
7 hours later.
And it is 8:18. So I'm gonna close out this video. I went to Target, came back. So I'm gonna see how this foundation looks like. But to be completely honest, I did take out my lashes. I feel oily, and it's weird because I am not an oily person. Looking really oily right here, even in my nose, broken down, like separated. And that doesn't even happen with like my Maybelline foundation or my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. I'm gonna zoom you guys can see as raw as possible. So if you can see right there, it has separated right here, and you can see how oily it is. You can see this right here, giving you guys the real deal. Yeah, so I don't know if it's the primer that I use, the moisturizing primer. I normally don't use any primers because one, I don't have any, and two, I just don't really care for primers like that. So I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I am still not 100% sure. I mean, the foundation and stuff is there, and you guys saw I didn't even use a lot of highlighters, so I don't know. I feel really ready to just take this off. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this review slash wear test, then give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below. And I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!